This Walmart is very pop, huh? Too, huh? Used to be cheap place, not anymore, man. Mineral water, $1.28. Yeah, great. Last month I buy it for $1. Yeah, so they get greedy, man. This society is going down, huh? You think so? Koji? Why? Oh, expensive. Oh, you have matter. You don't go there. Možeš tamo ići za... If you wanna go to catch some girls, it's okay, right? If you wanna find some woman for a date, that's a good place, right? No? Why not, eh? It's perfect place for dating, man. Yeah. All for audience, right? So all stuff we buy today, bring it here, this way. Yeah, my car need car wash tomorrow because look at that mess. Trucking yard, dude. Evo, put that there, that's all total $40. And if somebody tell me that's fair, I put it on the back. It's insane. Oh. See? Calling me again, man. Hello? What? Yildin,
just get in the car, bro.
Yildin knows where's the house. So guys, I did not even have a time to shave my face these days, so we will do it. Look at this phone, that great. Such a great surprise here. Let's see if I have a charging cable. Ah, I do. Oh, that saves my thing. So we're gonna go now to get some coffee, going and keep rolling towards home, yeah? I'm half an hour from my house, so I have no problem with going there. You know, we all have whatever home is sweet home. So let's do it and continue with this stuff. Let's do it, man. So my muffler is really noisy. Now you don't hear it, but when I start the engine, everything is really it has tiny hole on the bottom, so that's what creates this little modified muffler. I call custom muffler. So instead of having normal, I have a custom muffler thanks to the hole on my muffler. Yeah, great. How great this place to get my coffee, you know what I mean? But I tell you, I drove a lot of these different cars, different trucks, different things, but I never see better car for work as a Mini Cooper, man. This is a little beast, takes about 4 liters per 100 kilometer, and for me this is golden car. Mini Cooper is made by BMW anyway, and it's really sturdy car, like really strong car, little compact, but it's a snake on the highway, man. So I just slept here in the yard, guys, and I'm going to home sweet home, as I say. Let's get the coffee, and my next trip should be Tuesday actually, because I have something to do home, and I started this trip Tuesday too. So no necessarily I have to start Monday, really. So that's how it works, yeah. How this baby works, huh? Let's drop this trip envelope and we go from there. So mufflers, don't be surprised, muffler is really noisy. I didn't have a time to fix my muffler, man. One day I will do it, I promise, guys. Because I just came from holiday from Europe and I did not have time to bother with muffler. And my other car is out of service too because of some frame issue. So we've gotta fix that this week. I'm gonna show you my skills with the car fixing methods. Yeah, great, what a guy, what a great idea. Alright, so I always put 4 lights here because I don't know who's gonna come to me. This yard is really busy. These trucks are giant to me. I'm in Mini Cooper, so good luck, buddy. And I have to fuel my car too. So I just started in the morning, a lot of things to do. Yeah. It's a beautiful, look like it's gonna be a beautiful September day. Sunday morning, no wonder nobody's here, right? I'm only one today here. Everybody sleeping and snoozing home. Everybody's sleeping. Let's drop this envelope and we are good. 5 days I've been all days in the mountains. Now I came to the valley, to the rivers. Little bit break of that wild area. Cities are nice too. Well, let's see how nice is Toronto, because that's the one I'm passing next. They call a city a traffic nightmare. Dark is coming, night is coming. This is gonna end my pretty much trip. I have coming huge traffic over Toronto, and hopefully it will be not bad issue. And again, guys, comment, ask me question. I am free to answer any question, special for new drivers. I've been long time in this job, you know, and I know many tricks and shortcuts in this job, you know. Like I say, if you don't like driving, do not be truck driver. Plain and simple. I always liked driving. That was always my obsession, to drive, you know. I didn't know when I was younger I'm gonna be truck driver, but you know, that's where life takes you. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see what's ahead of me in the Toronto. Is shut your lights off, guys, on any custom between US and Canada. They do not like it because of glare their eyes. So number one thing, when you go there, you gotta shut the truck off, and don't pull your brakes. They hate that too. So this is nice educational, free education for you guys. Now I'm gonna ask him, you're gonna listen voice, you cannot see him because I cannot take a video of this personnel. I asked him if I can keep truck running because of my fuel. I like Peace Bridge, Buffalo Crossing. Look at, no trucks. I love it. And one more reason is because it's Saturday night. Like all truckers mostly are home. I'm weirdo because I lost one day of my truck repair. Of course they're gonna pay me, but you know, that's what I'm trying to explain you guys. This job is not perfect. Thank you. So see that? I nicely asked the guy, right? If I can keep my truck running because of the fuel pump. And you know what happened? I'm actually surprised. He's just a look at me. He didn't like the noise, right, of the engine. He looked at me, he didn't say nothing. See how rude some people are, man. But you know, I did not have choice, because if I shut down my truck, I'm gonna be looking for towing service here. So means, you know, some guys are not 100% polite, you know. You heard what I told you, you know? Can I keep my truck running because my water pump has issue? And he look at me and he say, make a funny face, like just ignoring me. So guys, don't expect these people will be friendly to you. I never have chance to go with, I'm a nice guy, you know. If I have to go in conflict, I just walk away. Same here. You just have to be normal. When they ask you something, answer very short, polite, and professional. Like this question, do you have a seal? Yes. What kind of seal is in a trailer? Wire, you can say, or bolt. That's all they want to know. They don't even care who you are, you know. Because you know why? Their job is not easy too. They see thousands of people every day and they have to repeat like parrots all the time. So that's why. But you know, if you don't like job, my opinion, you should not do that job. I like driving, that's why I'm driving. Yeah, it's very simple. So now we can roll back to yard in 2 hours. So guys, this is typical scenario. Don't happen often. But I tell you what I have to do here before I approach border. Right? I have to tell custom officer that I cannot shut down my truck on the border. You're supposed to shut it down, don't pull the brakes. They hate this, okay? So I'm gonna be nice and polite and ask Canadian custom officer so I can leave my truck running by the time he check my entry papers, because my fuel pump is malfunctioning, and if I shut it down, I'm not gonna be able to move, so I'm gonna be toast. So that's what I'm gonna tell him. And listen, here is where we approach the border. Exit 9, people. I've been here many times. My routes are going this way. A lot of time. I like this crossing because it's not really too busy crossing for truckers. And you know, in this kind of job, you want as much as more relaxed job every day. You don't want to stress. You don't want a big city, nothing like that. See that guy? He want to go to US back. And I see him put his signal going to Canada. So probably his first time here, one of the truckers. Now right side there is a lane of personal cars here. Look at that, yeah. Gotta watch this lane. Okay, buddy. I like your car, dude. Nice antique baby, huh? Keep it nice, maintain it nice. Now here's I show you nightmare here. This duty-free shop is a terrible place to stay. Today I can do it. I don't need any cigarettes or alcohol, but there's only 3 spots for truckers here. Used to be all this plaza for us, and now maybe they figure out they don't make money on truckers here. That's probably why. For more individual cars, okay. I don't make rules, but would be nice so we have more room to park. And now, right now, we are on a Peace Bridge approaching. For people never been here, this is Peace Bridge over Niagara River, over mighty Niagara River. So this river is a border. Now we are already in Canada. I can see, I don't see flag, but I know usually half bridge is an American, half bridge is Canadian. Welcome to Canada.